Welcome to beautiful North Lake Tahoe, a place where mountain air meets crystal clear waters and every corner feels like a retreat. Here in North Lake Tahoe, I wanted to refresh our Airbnb bathroom without spending a fortune. Let me show you how you can do the same in your own home. Here's the bathroom in my Lake Tahoe Airbnb, and as you can see, it really needed some updating. It was clean but dated and just didn't reflect the beautiful natural surroundings we're so lucky to have up here in Tahoe. I didn't have a huge budget or a lot of time, but I wanted to give this space a makeover that felt cozy, refreshed, and most of all, inspired by the natural beauty of the Sierra Nevadas. First, I painted the cabinets a slate gray. The color was inspired by the massive granite boulders all around Lake Tahoe. It gives the space a grounded, earthy feel that ties in with the landscape outside. The shower curtain was an easy swap, but it made a huge difference. I found this watercolor style forest print with aspen trees. It instantly made the whole room feel more connected to the mountain environment. I also replaced the old gray bath mats with this bohemian style rug. I love how it adds warmth and color while still fitting in with the natural tones. I didn't replace the entire light fixture, not yet, but I did swap out the old bulbs for some Edison style ones. It's a small, affordable upgrade that adds a touch of vintage charm while I plan for a future fixture update. Now this corner might be my favorite part. I added a few low-maintenance houseplants with a little grow light for extra support. The soft glow of a salt lamp keeps the space feeling cozy and inviting, especially in the evenings. And if you look closely, yes, those are real aspen limbs behind the mirror. A little nod to the trees that inspired the shower curtain and tie everything together with a subtle forest vibe. To finish it off, I swapped the plastic soap dispenser for a gray matte ceramic one, just a small detail that keeps the color palette cohesive, and I changed out the wall art for these forest-inspired prints that really complete the look. This makeover didn't take a lot of money or time, but it really transformed the space into something that feels like Lake Tahoe. It's calm, cozy, and connected to nature, and hopefully a little sanctuary for our guests after a day of hiking, skiing, or just relaxing by the lake. If you're thinking of updating your Airbnb on a budget, I hope this gave you some ideas. Let me know what you think in the comments, or share how you've brought local inspiration into your own space. And if you're looking for a great place to stay while in Lake Tahoe, please check out my Airbnb. Put the link in both the descriptions and the comments.